Hello, people outside. Hello. Uh, I'm going to be reading from my new book that I'm writing called Striving for Sanity. And this is an old essay from like 2020, maybe even older. Um, and it's trying to end racism with visual media. So let's get into the first part, the latest scheme. Racism has plagued this society from its founding until today. Black bodies were made inferior to justify using our bodies for free or cheap labor. Sometimes black people were only given food, clothing, and shelter. Sometimes black people were allowed to keep a small fraction of profits made from their labor. None of us had control of our lives then, and I would argue that this is still the case. The United States has maintained the belief that black human beings are less capable. The US uses this belief to make decisions in every institution and system in this society. The division has been destroying our ability to keep social order for decades, and we have almost destroyed our ability to organize ourselves. The powerful members of the United States have tried everything to end racism except fair treatment to black people from our births until our deaths. The latest scheme to end racism is using visual imagery of interracial harmony. We have seen more shows with multi-ethnic groups having relationships. These shows usually have one black person with a group of white people. These shows are accurate in that the black character has less power than the rest of the group. The black character is the adopted member protected by the good white people. Another visual that we are given is interracial sexual partners. Sometimes these partners are married. Sometimes these couples are in serious relationships. We even get to see interracial people hooking up for one-night stands. These images are trying to convince us that we are all people with equal power and that personalities are more important than ethnicity. This idea has not been realized in our society in a large way. We also watch shows and films with children from different ethnic groups working together or coming of age with each other. This seems to be a reality, but young people have always been able to cross ethnic lines easier than adults. White children still have the residue of a system and power supporting them. Black children are backed up by a community that is layered in mental illness, including depression, anxiety, and terror or fear. Black Native children are also surrounded by hostile or indifferent communities, including immigrants of color. Television shows are more powerful because they reach more people quickly. Commercials are also good tools for social change if the population accepts the concepts forced upon it. And the next video will be interracial sex. And we'll do that next. I'll try to do it tomorrow. Until next time, take care and try to be safe.